In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Telegram chat to Site123 website 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll have a clean Telegram chat link that visitors can tap on your Site123 site to message you instantly. First, set up your Telegram handle. Open the Telegram app and head to Settings. Look for the username field and either create one or copy the one you already have. This username is what people will message directly, so choose something clear and professional for your brand or support. When you're done, copy it so we can use it in your website link. Next, create your chat link. The format is simple: HTTPS, your Telegram name. Replace your Telegram name with your actual Telegram username. To make sure everything works, paste that link into your browser and test it. If Telegram is installed, it should open the app. On desktop, it should open Telegram Web or prompt the Telegram app. If it doesn't open, double check the spelling of your username and try again. Now log into your Site123 dashboard. Go to site123.com, sign in, and click Edit Website to open your site editor. We'll add your Telegram link as a button or a menu link, which is the easiest and most reliable method. Inside the editor, click Pages. Choose where you want the link to live. This could be your home page, contact page, or any page where support makes sense. Click Add New Item, then select Button Text. In the link field, paste your Telegram URL, https your Telegram name. For the button text, write something clear and action-oriented like chat with us on Telegram or message us on Telegram. Save your changes. If your site's layout allows positioning, place the button where it's easy to find, such as near your contact information or in a hero section. Clear labeling and good placement can significantly increase engagement. Let's test it on both desktop and mobile. Open your published site, click the Telegram button, and confirm it launches Telegram. On a phone, it should open the Telegram app directly. On a computer, it should open Telegram Web or the desktop app if installed. If it doesn't work as expected, ensure the link is exactly in the https:/t.me/your Telegram name format, and that your username in Telegram matches what you used in the link. That's it. You've connected Telegram to your Site123 site through a simple, visible button or link, making it easy for visitors to reach you instantly. Thanks for watching and happy building.